So I just discovered Temu, and lately I have been buying a lot of things on there. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the most expensive hair tool from Temu. This video is sponsored by Temu, but you guys already know I'm going to be completely honest with you. This hair tool is $100, but it is a 7-in-1 hair tool. It even brings a diffuser attachment. So let's get right into trying this. If you guys want to check it out, I will be linking it down below. I have a discount code so you guys can save some money. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put it in the description box. But I do want to mention that Temu, if you haven't downloaded their app, you have to download it. I mean, I even have it here on my phone. Like, I've had this for a while now. The amount of sales and deals that they have on there is pretty crazy. If you download the app, you're able to get a coupon for $100, like a bundle coupon. So I'm going to be linking the app down below as well if you want to download it. And if you use my code, you can get an $100 coupon bundle. So you can get this hair tool for even cheaper. So I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box. But yeah, definitely take advantage of that discount of my code so that you can save some money. We are really putting this hair tool to the test because I'm going to be doing a whole blowout with it. So I really hope that it works super well. I want this blowout to last a couple days. Something else that I really like about Temu is that the shipping is free and it's very fast. So I'll get my stuff in like 5 days. It's like very fast shipping. I also really like that Temu has so many different things on their website. Like anything that you can think of, Temu will have it. Let's see what this looks like, because this brings a lot of different attachments. So as you can see, these are the attachments that come in the box. Let's see. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so it brings the instructions, it brings a glove, and this is what the hair tool looks like. I have never seen a more beautiful blow dryer. I mean, look at the colors, look at this little bedazzle. What? That is so cute. And even down here. Okay, so let's try it out. These are the curling barrels, as you can see, and this is the hair tool. Wow, it actually feels very nice. I mean, we gotta turn it on and try it out, but I just love the little bedazzle. I just love this. It also brings a nozzle attachment. So there you have it. It brings a diffuser attachment, which is adorable. It's like a perfect size. It's not like too big, it's not too small. I feel like this can dry a pretty good amount of hair. And then you get a paddle brush attachment. Okay, so I was going to put the paddle brush attachment here, and then I'm like, wait, but that wouldn't make sense. So does this come off? This comes off. That is so cool. Okay, I love that. That just made this hair tool 100 times better. So you can use the paddle brush attachment like this. Right here, you can just take it off. And then it brings a round brush attachment. It is a little bit small, so we'll see how that works. I'll probably just end up using the paddle brush attachment to dry most of my hair and then use the round brush just to like shape the ends. So yeah, this is the round brush attachment. And then you get the 2 curling barrels. So I'm going to start by using the paddle brush attachment, and then I'm going to use the round brush. So let's do that first, and then I'll use the curling barrels. And hopefully we can get a very nice blowout with this hair tool. Let's see. So this right here can lock your heat setting, like your settings, so that way if you touch it, it doesn't like switch up or anything. So that's very nice. Not all hair tools have that. So let's get right into drying the hair. Highest heat setting, highest speed. Let's do this. Slowly drying my hair. So this did dry my hair completely, as you can see. I definitely prefer a little bit more of a bounce, so we're going to use the round brush attachment. So I'm going to finish this section with the round brush attachment, but I do think that for the rest of my hair, I'm going to use just the round brush attachment. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put this one in. Okay, so let's try this. I'm going to lock the setting that I have right now because I really do like it. So just lock it. Now I'm going to do this wet section with the round brush attachment. So let's turn this on. Let's see how it works. gets very, very hot. Like, it gets very hot. It's drying my hair very quickly, but I might use this in the medium heat setting just because it feels very, very hot. For me, I do like a higher heat setting, but this blow dryer gets very, very hot. It's like very powerful. It did give me a very nice quick dry, and as you can see, I was able to get like a little curl, which is super nice. But I think I'm okay with just using this in the medium heat setting, and I think it'll still dry my hair very quickly. So we're gonna do the medium heat setting instead. But I do want to try one of these barrels. So let's do a little curl, even though I did kind of get a little bit of a curl already with the round brush attachment, which is nice. But we're still gonna do a little curl on each section. I'm going to use this one for this side. The attachments do get a little bit hot after using them, so if you want to use your glove, definitely go for it. If you want to use that to take off the attachment, it's nice that it brings it just in case. So now I'm going to curl my hair. Let's see how this attachment works, and then I'm going to do all my hair. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to put this in the medium heat setting. Okay, let's try that. Oh wow, that grabs my hair so quickly. Very nice. So the medium heat setting is the blue light. So I'm keeping it in the medium heat setting. And let's see what type of curl we can get. I'm gonna turn it off. Wow, that is very nice. So now I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna take this off. I'm going to switch it for this one, and let's try this section. Yeah, I love how it grabs the hair so well. All right, beautiful curl. If you want longer lasting curls, you can also just clip each section just like this. Bring the thumb up the curl, and then take a clip and just clip each section like that. But what I like to do when I blow out my hair is that I like to blow it out all first with a round brush attachment, and then I'll go in with curling barrels and curl my hair. So far, I do really like this hair tool. I like that it is very affordable, especially comparing it to other hair tools very similar to this in the market, and you are still able to get very nice results. I like that you can turn this into a regular looking blow dryer and add the nozzle attachment, the diffuser attachment, which is also very nice if you want to leave your hair natural. And I really like the technology behind this. Like, you can have a low heat setting, a medium, a high. You have 3 heat settings to choose from. The medium heat setting actually feels very powerful, and I ended up doing all my hair in the medium heat setting, and the results are very nice. I got a very nice smooth blowout, and my hair looks super healthy. So I really do like the medium heat setting, and I feel like if you want to just stick to that, depending on your hair texture, you should be able to get very nice results with that heat setting as well. If you want to use the high heat setting even at the end just to kind of lock in your style a little bit more, you can do that as well. So there's so many things that you can do with this hair tool. The round brush attachment is a little bit smaller than what I would prefer, but it did get pretty close to the roots. It gave me a nice quick blowout. I do prefer a round brush attachment that is a little tiny bit bigger. This one felt great for the roots, for smoothing out my hair, very nice for the bangs, and it also gave me great bounce and volume on the ends. It took me a little bit longer to blow out my hair with this round brush attachment just because it is smaller, so I had to take smaller sections. Overall, it gave me a pretty nice blowout, and my roots look very nice and smooth. And for the price, I do feel like you get a pretty nice kit. You do get a lot of different attachments. You can do so much with this hair tool. So yeah, overall, not bad at all. Alright guys, so I dried my hair, I curled it, and now I'm taking these off. So I let my hair set for about 30 minutes just so that the curls can look a little bit more defined, you know. So now I'm just taking these off, and wow, the amount of bounce that I'm getting and shine, this actually worked super well on my hair. Like, how cool. Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I absolutely love the results. I definitely have to say that the main thing that I liked about this hair tool was the base. I really like that it has different heat settings and different speed settings as well. This actually got very hot, and it is very powerful. I really like all the settings that it has. I really like the lock button right here. It actually came in handy. I would notice sometimes I would accidentally touch these buttons, and so the heat setting wouldn't move, it wouldn't change because it had the lock button on. So yeah, I really do like that feature about this hair tool. These attachments gave me very nice and beautiful like blowout curls that look just like very natural. It elevates your blowout, gives you a nice bounce. So yeah, really loved the curling barrels. I wish the round brush was a little tiny bit bigger just so that I can dry my hair a little bit quicker, because I do have a lot of hair. I mean, as you can see, I have a lot of hair and it is getting very long. So yeah, I would recommend going in with the paddle brush first just to dry most of your hair, and then finish the blowout with the round brush attachment. Start with the paddle brush attachment, continue with the round brush, and then finish with the curling barrels. Clip each section, let them set for about 30 minutes, add hairspray if you need to, and you will get amazing results. Click the link in my description box if you guys want to check this out. I'm going to be putting my code down there as well so you can save some more money, get that $100 coupon deal. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I'm very excited to be working with them because, like I said, I have been buying a lot of things on Temu and I really do like the app. It's like very fun. Like their website is crazy. They have everything you can think of on Temu. Like, it's crazy.